What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a battery charging speed test of Honor 9s, a smartphone. It comes with 3020 mAh battery and 5 watt charging. So we will use this official charger and the USB cable that comes inside the retail box for this testing purpose. Right now the battery is 0, the device is not even switching on. So let's start our test now and let's see how much time it's going to take in reaching from 0% to 100% when we charge the battery of Honor 9s. So it's 10 minutes now. Let's have a look on the battery status, and it's 7%. So after charging the device for 10 minutes, the battery percentage moved from 0 to 7%. Let's switch on the device now. So as you can see, none of the power saving modes are turned on. The device is connected to the Wi-Fi, no SIM card inserted. So these are the settings and the scenarios we are using while charging the device. So let's charge it for a while, and after that once again we will check the battery status. So it's an hour now. Let's have a look on the battery status, and it's at 37%. So after an hour the battery percentage moved from 0 to 37, and it shows here that it will take nearly 2 hours 30 minutes more in reaching 100%. So as you can see, it's pretty slow. It's gonna take around 3.5 hours in charging the battery fully when it's at 0%. It's 2 hours 40 minutes now. Let's have a look on the battery status, and it's 96%. It shows that it will take nearly 9 minutes more to reach from 96 to 100%. So it's nearly 7 minutes more. Let's have a look on the battery status, and it's at 98%, and it shows that it will take 5 minutes more, less than 5 minutes. So after 2 hours 50 minutes, battery percentage reached to 99. And here we go. So it's 2 hours 54 minutes 35 seconds. So even though in the beginning it was showing that it will take nearly 3 hours 30 minutes, it's finished in less than 3 hours. So this is a good thing. So based on your personal usage, that how many SIM cards you have inserted, whether the Bluetooth, location or mobile internet is on or not, and how much notifications you are getting when the device is charging, it will take around maximum 3 hours 5 minutes. So we can take the average as 3 hours that Honor 9s takes in charging its battery from 0% to 100%. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.